The FabFitFun e-gift card stands out as one of the most thoughtful and versatile digital gifting options available today, perfectly suited for anyone who appreciates the thrill of receiving high-quality, full-size beauty, wellness, fitness, fashion, home, and lifestyle products without the guesswork of traditional presents. Delivered instantly via email upon purchase from the official FabFitFun website at fabfitfun.com/gift, this electronic gift card eliminates shipping delays, making it an excellent last-minute choice for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays like Christmas or Diwali, graduations, self-care encouragement after a tough week, or even as a just because treat to brighten someone's day in Nagpur or anywhere else. Recipients simply receive a personalized email with the card code and instructions, allowing them to redeem it seamlessly by creating a new account or logging into an existing one on the FabFitFun platform, where the credit is applied directly toward membership fees or related purchases. The beauty of this e-gift card lies in its direct tie to the core FabFitFun experience, a quarterly subscription box service that has built a loyal community of over 1 million members who eagerly anticipate each seasonal drop. For instance, the seasonal box, priced around $79.99 per quarter, with potential discounts for annual plans bringing it closer to $65 per box, delivers 6 carefully curated, full-size items valued collectively at up to $350 or more, often representing savings of 70% or greater compared to retail prices. Featuring premium brands in categories ranging from clean skincare and makeup to innovative fitness gear, chic accessories, cozy home decor, modern wellness tools, and responsible fashion pieces that align with seasonal themes. Imagine gifting someone the ability to customize their spring 2026 box with luxurious picks like a high-value Coach charm bracelet, a stylish Few Moda bag, glow-enhancing glow recipe serums, drunk elephant moisturizers, elegant stemless wine glasses from Ken, or practical yet trendy items like a Year of Ours backpack. These are the kinds of discoveries that turn routine self-care into an exciting ritual. The e-gift card can cover a single seasonal box to let the recipient dip their toes into the service, or fund a full annual membership for 4 themed boxes throughout the year, potentially totaling over $1,400